Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you on how to manage your subscriptions in BoldSign. First, you will see the current plan details and the plan status. Then navigate to the document usage settings to check document count and usage statistics. You will learn about the transaction details, invoice information, how to upgrade and downgrade the plan, and manage license options. Let's begin. I log into the BoldSign account and navigate to Settings. I select the subscription option. In the Overview section, I can edit account information and change the subscription plan. Currently, I'm on a basic plan, and I can click Upgrade to switch to a higher tier plan. Next, under User Licenses, you can view all available licenses and how many have been used. Currently, I have one license and have utilized it, but I can acquire more by clicking the Manage Licenses button. I can also check the status of my account in the Status column. As my account is active, it is displayed as such. I can add and manage my card details in the Payment Methods section. These are the options available for review and modification in the Overview section. Next is the Document Limits section to track document usage within the plan. It details the number of documents used, total document count, self-signing document count, and available and used template counts. Additionally, I can access transaction details by clicking the View Transactions button. At the end of the page, all available invoices are displayed. Now let me provide you with detailed instructions on how to upgrade and downgrade the plan. First, to upgrade a plan, I need to make a payment. I add my card details in the Payment section. Click Add or Manage Card and select Add Payment Method. A pop-up prompts me to input card and billing details. After adding the information, click Add Card, and the details are saved. The card details that have been added are now shown under the Billing Information section. With my card added, I proceed to upgrade the plan. Clicking on the Upgrade option shows all available plans in BoldSign, each detailing cost, users, signature requests, and features. I can switch from a monthly to a yearly plan by toggling this option. There's also an option to switch from web app pricing to API pricing. I select the desired plan from the web app and review the added card details and billing address. In the Additional Licenses section, I adjust the number of user licenses and click Buy Now to complete the upgrade. The plan is successfully upgraded. You can also downgrade the subscription plan on the subscription page. I can add my user license while upgrading the plan, or click on the Manage User License, which allows me to increase or decrease the user licenses. To cancel the subscription, click the Cancel Subscription link. A pop-up appears, providing details and notifications about the plan cancellation. It's important to note that after clicking the Cancel Subscription, the account remains active until the end of the current billing cycle, and limited access will be granted after that. This is all about how to manage subscriptions in BoldSign. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.